Excuse me. That sound behind me is a motorcycle. Lingering motorcycle. I think he's going to leave. Indeed. This is, surprisingly not, a shell fountain. Seashell, called, because there's glaze is sea green over licorice. Really pretty. Cats can drink from the bubble up, from the shell, from the trickles off the front of the shell, and from the bowl. Delicate, pleasant water sounds, no splash out. Handmade of stoneware. Replaceable, adjustable pump. Cord exits the base of the fountain, and beneath that shell, and yet, as I say, is easily replaced. Available at thirstycatfountains.com.